From World of Concrete 2018, with me now is Kevin Sturm, who's a product manager with Procore. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Nice
Thank
to
you.
meet
Thanks
you.
for having us here. Appreciate it.
Well, I'm glad you stopped by. Took some time out of that very busy schedule.
Yeah.
I'm sure you got
Been
a lot,
an exciting day
a
over
lot
here.
happening over at your
Yeah.
exhibit, and what have you.
Yeah.
Well, tell us what Procore's brought to the show this year. I know you guys are really deeply involved in software.
Yeah. So it's been 14 years in the construction space.
Really, 14 already?
Yeah, so 14 years now. Really chugging around. And so here we're really kind of building on what we'd announced last year, which is kind of building this construction OS, kind of the platform that construction software is built on.
Right.
And so highlighting over there, we have really all four of our different product lines, and then we have one brand new product line, which is Field Productivity, that we released in October, and then also highlighting some of our partners. So iPlan tables over there, and we've got some of our partners that are inside our app marketplace, which is a big part of that platform.
Sure, yeah.
So
You got to
really
reach
exciting.
out, don't you?
Yeah, and so really kind of opening that openness of Procore that allows a bunch of other software providers, some of our partners that are here,
Right.
building into the platform and highlighting those in the booth. So that's been really exciting for people as well.
Is there one specific key area that you guys are working into with your software?
So I'd say that it isn't necessarily one key specific area, but really trying to then create the visibility and the awareness of that open and then the collaboration that happens. And so, it's been a long time coming of really being project management being what we're known for, but then expanding beyond that to really having it be then a construction OS platform. So we then have four major product lines that are products delivered to the construction industry, which is project management, which
Right.
is there, quality
Right.
and safety,
Right.
construction financials, and then field productivity. And you can buy those each individually as well. So not just about project management, but really delivering a full suite of products to the construction industry as a whole.
An entire
in that full life cycle.
umbrella.
Yeah,
Under that umbrella.
yeah.
Okay. Has product management changed a lot in the last few years as a result of all this new software?
I don't necessarily think that the management of the product has changed or product management has changed, but I think that as the productivity imperative, kind of as what the industry is calling it, this
Right.
productivity and getting the efficiencies is that the focus and the adoption of technology, devices like this, where now I can actually have everything I need in mobile. So that's a big part of where Procore's focus
Isn't it
has been.
amazing? I mean, really, when you think about it, 10 years ago, those didn't exist.
Yeah, when you think about that now, it's, I can have every RFI, 10,000 drawings, all my quality and safety docs, full labor management, all right in here with no more paper, no more of those file cabinets at the back of the office. And
Right.
everybody then immediately gets updated with all the latest information right away. And so
Right.
that's really then a powerful piece of what Procore's trying
Right,
to accomplish.
right. So you are developing the software for these devices as well.
Yeah, and so that's one of Procore's kind of core philosophies
Yeah.
is mobility
Yeah.
and being mobile first.
Absolutely.
And so everything we do has to be where it is, and not just available via browser on mobile, but native mobile driven by either iOS or Android apps. So everything that we do is mobile centric and mobile first, specifically in field productivity, which is that brand new product that we have, which that's really specifically one of those values of mobile first.
And is the industry adapting to this rapidly, or as rapidly as you would like?
I definitely think so. And so right now this is the world we live in where like everybody here can take this out of their pocket, and that's what I've got in my pocket, right?
Yeah, don't we all?
I've got a computer, and so
And I've got one of these in the bag.
and you got
here.
one of those, and everybody's got a laptop, and so I definitely think that the industry is there. I think that now is that time when it's just becoming synonymous
Right.
with that's what it is. And as 20 somethings are getting into construction
Right.
and coming out and being involved, that's just they've never lived the world without it, right? So that's just what they're used to. They're used to communicating and getting information and getting details in that way. And so that I think is really then that driver.
Yeah.
And the cost of these have come so far
Oh,
down that it's a
absolutely.
very cost-effective solution to deliver out into your
Right.
field. Is all the way down to your foreman, to your superintendent, to your field crews. This is then a really cost-effective option.
Amazing, and then
Yeah.
just amazing. What's going to happen in the next 10 years?
Oh.
Are these going to become smaller and smaller?
I don't know. People ask me that all the time, and I say, I don't know. Maybe we'll just beam it straight to your eyeball. Who knows?
Beam to your eyeball.
But I think that that as we look forward, that augmented reality,
Sure.
some virtual, but really augmented
Right.
reality, both in mobile, and then
Yeah.
with direct view is really going to be a driving factor moving forward.
Well, I know for myself, coming out of the era of the 60s and the 70s to today, it's just been mind-boggling, and then to expand on that, and with all you folks coming aboard here on For Construction Pros and talking about all of this new system and all of these new improvements to these systems.
Right.
And what you're doing is just something. I appreciate you bringing your message over. It's been fun.
Yeah, my pleasure.
It's been great to meet you.
You too.
Have fun with Procore. Kevin Sturm was
Thanks,
the product
guys.
specialist, and have a good show.
Will do. Thank you.
More from World of Concrete 2018.